Sam, this is just for you, man. Hello. Welcome back into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
This Saturday, we are continuing our Liqueur series with Campari.
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt?
Look at this beautiful color of Campari. Look at that color. It's red. That's all the colors you want in your liqueurs. Yummy. Tasty. Campari.
Bitter on the bottom?
But it says on the label, bitter. This is a product of Italy. 24%. So a whopping 48 proof. This was found in 1860 by Gaspare Campari in Italy. It's dark. It's dyed with carmine, which comes from the cochineal insects. Yay, bugs. Which gave its red color, but they stopped doing it in 2006. So unfortunately, this is not one dyed with bugs. I would rather drink that because that would be fun. Because why wouldn't I? All right, so it's an aperitif made with herbs and some fruits I've never heard of called the chinotto and the carcillo, whatever the hell those are, alcohol and water. It's very famous for the Negroni, which I think everyone pretty much knows what that is. It's a very bitter cocktail. Not my favorite, but is drinkable. It's also really good with Whistle Pig, we found out. So when Whistle Pig was here, which was really nice for that in the old pal. The Americano, the Campari Orange, and the Mito and the Boulevardier. Very important components, all of those. So it's a classic American cocktail. But all right, let's see what we think of this beautiful Campari. Alrighty then.
I'm not thrilled about this. Who told us that we need to do this?
This would be Sam.
Sam?
Thanks, Sam. We love you too.
Let's get that first smell.
Oh, Jesus. It smells like old lady perfume.
Totally does. I was like, that is perfume?
Old Avon.
Bitter and orange. It's the old Chanel No. 5.
Oh, it's old dying lady.
Totally. It's like I'm in my 90s. I've covered myself in perfume at the
Trying to
mall.
cover up that
Shop at
decay
Dillard's.
smell.
Trying to cover up the smell of decay. Yes.
Yes. Still shop at Dillard's for some reason. Even no one knows the hell you would go there.
It smells like Avon.
It's just like, yeah, it's like the old mall perfume department. They just spray everything in massive quantities on everything.
This is worse than that. Like, at least the mall perfume place has like some decent smelling perfumes.
True. I should make Bell drink that.
It smells like old lady perfume and off spray.
That's what it is. It's off.
It's off.
That's
You know
the
what this is the thing you give a kid, like you don't want your kids to ever drink. Oh my gosh, this is
what
it.
it all tastes like, kids.
It all tastes like. Smell this.
Yeah, it smells like off deep wood.
Oh my gosh, it really does.
Natural perfume.
We're gonna get some off deep woods and smell next to it. See which one smells better.
Off.
Off. All right, let's see.
Sam?
Oh, gross.
It's not bad until that aftertaste.
That's so bitter. It's so bitter. Oh, and a little bit of orange.
The aftertaste.
Oh God, that's gross.
I think it's kind of yummy.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I'm not taking another drink of that.
Good, you can have ours. Oh,
The aftertaste is what gets me.
God. Oh, water makes it worse. Fuck.
Really does.
Oh, gross.
That's scotch, by the way.
I need whiskey. This is horrible.
Is this how you guys always feel? Like, this is nice. I don't mind this.
I like it in a cocktail. I
Drink it out of the bottle, Matt. Just drink it out of the bottle.
Oh, fine.
What is it?
Andalusia, thank God, much better.
Nice.
Oh, good, that fixed it.
Yeah, I don't even have anything to say about this. It smells
It's nice. It's bitter. It is very lingering.
It tastes how it smells, except the aftertaste is horrible.
Yeah,
Sam?
There's a fruitiness to this. Do you not get a fruitiness to this?
Sam, I thought we were friends.
for real. This is only good in a Negroni or something like that. Or like the Campari, the old pal. I like it in a cocktail because it brings that nice bitterness to it to take some of the sweetness away. But on its own, it's just too damn bitter for me. I don't like it on its own. Well, good. Now we see that Will is enjoying this lovely Campari. We found something So he'll drink. We figured out chartreuse, Campari, and the hell's the other one? The 86, the 15-year. Shit, I can see the bottle at the moment. Drambuie, yeah.
Yeah, that one was pretty good too.
That's about it. We figured out that's all we'll drink.
As far as liqueurs go,
So we're like 3 for $40.
And Jaeger.
you know what? The Jaeger was surprisingly, it was all right.
Hey, we got donated new Jaeger.
Chilled.
Not anything like you remember it from our
Oh, yes.
20s.
No.
We have a new Jaeger to review that we were donated, so we'll get to that one soon.
You got the cake cold brew?
No, it's
We do.
like a ginger spice or some shit. I don't know.
Ooh.
We got the cold brew.
we got a Jaeger cold brew into
Yay,
review.
we can review that one too. Woohoo!
Thanks to my sister-in-law.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then we'll donate. Then another lovely donation.
Yay! All right, I am going to pour this in your glass.
Fair enough.
Yes,
And
let me
then
drink it.
you can do it that
You
way.
come remotely take mine too.
Right. I'm going to cheers out with the Kirkland mixture. And
I'm going out with Campari.
good for you. I'm glad we found something that you like. And
It's pink and
it looks
pretty.
like Kool-Aid.
It really does. I mean, it is color. The color is pretty.
The
And it's
color
like
reminds me of
$23.
cherry Kool-Aid.
Yeah.
Like the thinness of it and everything, because it's just sugar
Yeah.
and water.
Oh my
But
gosh. Trick somebody. Oh, this is a really good Kool-Aid.
that's hilarious.
That would be hilarious. Take a big gulp of this and be like,
For
oh.
real.
That's a shock to the system.
All right. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. And until next time,
Keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
cheers. I knew I kept this scotch around for a reason.
That's right.
Ooh, yucky.
I like the bitterness of it.
I still have that funky aftertaste.
That will be a very, very long time. I think it's my mom has a bottle of Campari. Seriously, it's from Italy. It's like 40 years old.
Jesus.
So that one probably did have the other.
Dude, that's gonna have the bug juice in it. I should borrow from my mom.
You should, because that's gonna have the bug juice in it.
That doesn't sound any more appealing.
I want to try it.
I'll get it from my mom next time I go over there, and we'll do the bug juice versus non-bug juice version.